Hi guys, today I have another Hot Topic exclusive Funko Pop. This is from Pop Movies and it's Pop number 680 from Mortal Engines. It's Hester Shaw. Here are some of the other characters that you can collect from the series. And then here's the other side of the box. So she does come with a stand, which is good because she wasn't standing before. And anyways, I'll show her up close now. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I do make a lot of Funko videos. You can check out my Instagram and Facebook for really cool pictures of Funko Pops. And anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to have a great day.